What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So the other day I saw this Instagram reel where this guy, he took a mirror and he took the photo of the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. So what he didn't do was take the photo of the Gateway of India, which lies just opposite to it. So we are going to do that today. So it's around 7:14 in the morning and the plan is basically to go at kind of the sunrise and snap the photo with the reflection of the monument with it. So I hope it comes out good. So guys, we have reached the Gateway of India. As you can see right behind me, over there is the Taj Hotel, and now we are going to snap some photos. Let's go. So to get the shot of the Gateway of India, I took a mirror along with me and I held it up against my iPhone lens just like this. This was the result. I'm like quite impressed with what I got and it kind of looks good. Do you agree? Also, if you want to check the other photos which I clicked, you can follow me on my Insta here. By the way, you should follow me, please. Then we happened to go to the Kyani bakery where we had some lime soda and pav keema along with the Parsi omelette. It's quite good, you should try it out. Then we headed back home. So at the end of the day, it wasn't about the camera which I took, it was just my phone and a mirror which got me such a result. So the equipment that you take does not matter. It's just this small photography hack that can get you great results. Hope you liked the video. If you would like to see more of my content, make sure to subscribe my channel and see you later. Bye.